Hello all, welcome to EdrawMind. In today's video, we'll look at the importance of outlines and when to use them. Outlining helps you organize your ideas, presents material in a logical form, shows the relationships among ideas in your writing, constructs an ordered overview of your speech, and groups ideas into main points. Now let's understand when to use an outline with some examples. To start with, let's look at a novel outline. Before we begin, let's understand why you should outline your novel before you write. There is very little chance of writer's block. You reduce the number of rewrites and edits. You spot problem areas before you begin. It improves creativity. And you develop compelling characters with clear story goals. Now let's see an example of a novel outline. Clicking on the arrow expands the topics into subtopics as shown. Some of the pros of this kind of outline are: ensure the balance and continuity of the novel, avoid going into a dead end, prelay the trail, improve the sense of rhythm, better viewing angle options, keep the characters coherent, and provide motivation and security. Now let's look at a book outline. Here are some good reasons to outline your book. It'll get rid of plot holes. You can better map out the flow of emotions. You won't have continuity errors. You'll avoid writer's block. And it'll make the process of writing the book faster. Now let's see an example of a book outline. Clicking on the arrow expands the topics into subtopics as shown. Some of the advantages of this kind of outline are: it helps in making a good finish, it saves time, it frees up creativity, and a better understanding of what you're writing and why. Now let's look at an essay outline. Why should one use an essay outline? It helps with the structure of your essay. And it involves writing quick summary sentences or phrases for every point you'll cover in each paragraph. Now let's see an example of an essay outline. Clicking on the arrow expands the topics into subtopics as shown. Some of the benefits of this kind of outline are greater focus, smoother transitions, optimal order of content, more concise writing, and improved organization. Now let's look at a meeting minutes outline. Here are some good reasons to outline your meeting minutes. They provide structure, they drive action, they act as a measuring stick, and they state ownership. Now let's see an example of a meeting minutes outline. Clicking on the arrow expands the topics into subtopics as shown. Benefits of this kind of outline are: a meeting outline helps you and your colleagues prepare for a meeting. It will save time for all meeting participants by providing a clear set of topics, objectives, and timeframes. A pre-made outline helps everyone come to the meeting on the same page, and the outline helps in achieving objectives by driving effective action. Now let's look at a study notes outline. We'll look at some good reasons to outline your study notes. Highlights the key points of the lecture in a logical way. Ease of use allows students to focus. Reduces the viewing and editing time. And gives a proper and clean structure to your notes. Now let's see an example of a study notes outline. Clicking on the arrow expands the topics into subtopics as shown. Some of the benefits of this kind of outline are: assist students with brainstorming and investigate any thought, idea, or issue, assist students with taking study notes and plan errands, encourages better comprehension of connections and associations among ideas, makes it simple to convey new ideas and manners of thinking, permits students to handily review information, makes it simple to arrange ideas, and making mind maps for note-taking. Now let's look at a resume outline. Here are some good reasons to outline your resume. It helps to visualize what resume sections to include, what resume format is right for you, and what information to include. Now let's see an example of a resume outline. Some of the benefits of this kind of outline are: a resume outline guides the flow of your resume. It helps to ensure your resume is well-structured and well-written. Having a carefully crafted resume can help recruiters notice your resume among the other stacks of applications from other candidates. And a resume outline will help you save time by eliminating the need to create a resume from scratch. Now let's look at a project plan outline. We'll look at some good reasons to outline your project plan. Organize, prioritize, and assign tasks. Plan and schedule milestones and task dependencies. monitor progress, costs, and resources, collaborate with your team, share project plans with your team and stakeholders, and generate reports on plans. Now let's see an example of a project plan outline. There are multiple benefits for project planning. Mind mapping is a widely utilized and valued technique, particularly when it comes to project planning. A mind map will help you get through your ideas and gain more trust and input from stakeholders and your team as a very visual tool. Use the right approach, and ideas can be taken from the mind map and transformed into project plans and tasks. Now let's look at a checklist outline. We'll look at some good reasons to outline your checklist. It reduces failure by compensating for potential limits of human memory and attention, and it helps to ensure consistency and completeness in carrying out a task. Now let's see an example of a checklist outline. The benefits of a checklist outline are improved profitability, upgraded memory, focus like a ruler, and be prompted. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more EdrawMind videos.